Hello dear students, in our last video we have already completed the structure of modern periodic table. In that particular video we have completed total 7 periods are there and total 18 groups are there. So these things already we have completed in the last video. Now in this video we are going to study the S block element because this periodic table is divided into 4 blocks. This is called S block. These are the P block element, these are the D block element, and these are the F block element. So today we are going to study the first block, that is called the S block element. Just this is the S block element. So this S block element has a total two groups. First group is called as alkali metal. This first group is called as alkali metal and second group is called as alkaline earth metal. So if you consider this particular group, so S block elements are called as, these are the S block elements. The question arises why these elements are called as S block element, because this particular last valence electron goes in the S orbital. So last valence electron goes in the S orbital and that's why this particular block is called as S block element. Now these are divided into two groups. First group, that is called as alkali metal. Earlier just now I have explained this, alkali metal, and second group is called as alkaline earth metal. Now alkali metal. Why the name has given the alkali metal? So suppose these elements, whenever these elements react with water, aqua means water, so these elements are giving the alkalis. It gives rise to the alkali. So whenever first group elements react with water, it gives us the alkalis, and that's why these metals are called as alkali metals. What is mean by alkali? Alkali means the water soluble bases are called as the alkalis. So what are the alkalis? Water soluble bases are called as the alkalis. Now the point is that last electron goes in the S orbital. In that S orbital it goes in the NS1 subshell, and that's why here whichever number of elements are present, here the subshell configuration, valence shell configuration is 1 only, that is NS1. So here the elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So these are the 7 elements are there: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. In this, hydrogen is only the one of the non-metal, rest all 6 are the metal. Now I'll just want to explain you how to learn this particular name very fastly. Now we have learned, because we are teaching from since a long period of time, so we are knowing hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So how you people learn within a 1 second? For example, if I'll say instead of hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, I'll give you the mnemonic ह ली ना की रब से फरियाद. ह ली ना की रब से फरियाद. You can say that, think that, you can just prepare one of the imagination that हलीना नाम की एक लड़की है, वो रब से फरियाद कर रही है. For example, ह means hydrogen, ली means lithium, ना means sodium, की means potassium, rab means rubidium, se means cesium, and faryad means francium. So hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, we can get within a 1 second that 7 names you can get by the mnemonic ह ली ना की रब से फरियाद. In this way we can learn it by heart also. And here if you see the subshell wise configuration, last electron goes to the NS1 shell, and that's why these particular shells are the S orbit. These elements are the S orbitals. So and this name of this particular elements are the alkali metal. Now the second group element is called as alkaline earth metal. Why these are called as alkaline earth metal? Because these are all the alkaline in nature. These are all the basic in nature, alkaline in nature, and these all are present inside the earth, in the earth, and that's why these are called as alkaline earth metal. And now here also the last electron, this is the second group, so last electron goes to the NS2 subshell, and that's why if we will see the name of this particular element, so that is the beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So how to learn? I want to give you the one small mnemonic, small trick how to learn these also element. So for example, this is beryllium, beryllium is beta, magnesium means Mange, Ca means calcium means Car, Sr means Pluto, Ba means Bappa and Ra means Raji. Means if I'll give you one mnemonic, small mnemonic for this particular 6 element, beta, Mange, Car, Scooter, Bappa, Raji. So within a 1 minute you can learn beta, Mange, Car, Scooter, Bappa, Raji. So we can learn all the 6 elements. So beryllium, Be means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. In this way we can just learn all this particular element within a 1 second, within a 1 minute also you can learn. For example, first group Halina ki rab se faryad, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, and second group beryllium, magnesium, beta, Mange, Car, Scooter, Bappa, Raji means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So here also I have drawn one same, this is the S block element prepared by the Henry Moseley. This periodic table is given by Honorable Henry Moseley. So here also the same thing. First group hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second group beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. In this way we can understand that first group element, these are the first group element which are very important, which consist of, this is the first group means S block element. First group element is called as alkali metal because it reacts with the water and gives rise to the alkali. Second group elements are called as the alkaline earth metal because these are all the alkaline in nature and these are occur inside the earth, and that's why these are called as alkaline earth metal. Except hydrogen, all others are the metal. Hydrogen is only non-metal which got the first place in the modern periodic table. So in this way, this is all about the structure of our S block element. Rather than after the structure, we are going to study in our next video physical properties of the S block element, chemical properties of the S block element, and further details we are going to study in our next video. So if you like the video, so kindly like, subscribe as well as share the video. Thank you very much.